Hey, have you ever felt like a phantom in your own digital life, wondering if there is a back door into the messages and data sitting right in front of you on a second device? Most people think you need to be a high-level coder sitting in a dark room to bridge the gap between two smartphones, but the truth is far more clinical and accessible than the movies ever show. Today we are pulling back the curtain on the 5 most sophisticated methodologies used to establish a remote link, allowing for the monitoring and reading of texts across devices without ever touching a wire. This is the architecture of digital transparency. Before we dive into these protocols, we must state that this video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or condone anyone using the information provided in this video to infiltrate someone's privacy or violate any legal boundaries. Use this knowledge responsibly to understand the vulnerabilities of your own hardware. Also, if you find yourself needing more resources and specific help with these processes, make sure you check the pinned comment or the video description right now for more details. The first method involves the synchronization of cloud-based mirrors. You see, modern operating systems are designed to be seamless, which is exactly the loophole we look for. By leveraging the primary authentication token, you can essentially trick the network into thinking 2 devices are 1. It creates a real-time data ghosting effect where every incoming packet is duplicated. Before I explain how that token is intercepted, I want to hear from you. Have you ever lost access to your own device and had to find a way back in? Drop a comment below and let us know your story. While you are down there, hit that like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix so you never miss these technical deep dives. Moving into method 2, we look at the desktop client override. Most messaging platforms offer a browser-based mirror. The strategy here isn't about breaking the encryption, it's about hijacking the active session. If you can keep the session heartbeat alive, the bridge remains open indefinitely. This leads us directly into method 3, which utilizes the message forwarding protocol. This is a built-in feature of most cellular networks that remains hidden deep within the carrier settings menu. By redirecting the SMS gateway, the second device becomes the primary receiver. It is a silent transition that leaves no trace on the original interface. If this is making sense so far, share this video with someone who needs to see the power of digital architecture. The fourth methodology moves into the realm of virtual device emulation. By creating a digital twin of a device ID on a secondary server, you can pull data from the backup logs rather than the live device. This is how the pros maintain a connection even when the target device is offline. It bypasses the need for a constant handshake. Finally, we reach method 5, the application programming interface or API exploit. By utilizing developer tools meant for app testing, one can create a read-only stream of all incoming notifications. This is the ultimate strategy for total remote visibility. Remember, the key to mastering these frameworks is understanding the flow of data. If you want to dive deeper, don't forget to check the resources in the description. Like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve.